Hey, what is up guys? I hope all of you are doing well. So today we are going to unbox and review the BoAt Basshead 104 earphone. Here it comes with a fancy looking box with a nice color design and box. It comes with a 13.6mm drivers, half in-ear ergonomic design, one button control with mic, instant voice assistant. It means that you can directly open the voice assistant just by clicking the button on the microphone. So before we get started, if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it to get the latest video update as soon as we update. So without further ado, let's get it started. Let's open this box up and see what we get in this box. So this earphone comes with a yellow colored wire and teal looking bass heads. You also get in a different color variation. Here I have bought it in yellow colored wire and teal bass head. I think this one looks much better compared to others, which is aesthetically good looking. Again, it's left to your color preferences. So let's check out what else we get in the box. Here we get a BoAt Basshead sticker and this, and also you'll get a manual, just a manual about this earphone. And also you're going to get a 1-year warranty card. This is a 1-year warranty card you're going to get. So that's pretty much it what you get in this box. So that's all you're going to get in this box. Now let's take a closer look at this earphones. You can take a closer look at this, and this is made of plastic, not rubber if you're wondering. It also has a nice speaker grill. It looks really nice. It's made of really good quality. Now let's check out the microphone. Here you get a single button microphone. You can use this button to pick calls or disconnect calls, or make to change a soundtrack. The wire is really nice with a good quality. The wire is actually a bit shorter when you compare with the other earphone's wire. I think it's around 1 meter, while other phone comes with 1.5 meter. Here you can see the 3.5mm jack. The pin, you can see it here. And there is no spring or any cushioning materials provided at the end of the pin. So now let's talk about the sound quality of this earphone. So when it comes to the sound, it delivers a really nice sound and a good bass compared to the price in which we are getting. I bought it around 400 bucks from Flipkart. For the price which you're paying, you're getting a really good quality sound. So if you're looking for a budget headphones, you can definitely go for it. One bad thing about this earphone is that if you're using an earphone for a very long time for watching movies, then you may feel a little bit of discomfort in your ears. You may feel a bit of itchy feeling. So that's only the bad thing about this earphone. Other than that, it's a very good earphone, a perfect earphone. You should definitely go for this. Well, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share, and if you have any questions regarding this earphone, do let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.